Welcome to the ESET tutorials for home users and small offices. Today, we'll introduce you to ESET Home, one platform, complete security management. Let's get started. ESET Home is an easy-to-use web portal and mobile app for Android and iOS. It lets you manage all your products, devices, subscriptions, and account members from one place. Getting started is simple. Just create an ESET Home account to download, install, and activate your protection across all your devices. So, what can ESET Home do for you? With ESET Home, you'll get detailed insights into the security status of all members and devices connected to your account, any updates or issues that may need attention. You can also monitor, renew, and upgrade subscriptions as needed. And it's not just about protecting yourself. With ESET Home, you can share your protection with friends and family. Simply add them as a member in ESET Home and email them a download link so they can install and activate protection on their devices. New device? No problem. Add and protect new devices by downloading protection for Windows, macOS, and Android, all in just a few clicks. The anti-theft functionality allows you to effortlessly lock, track, and locate devices, keeping your data safe and private. And with our Android and iOS ESET Home mobile apps, you're always connected. Get real-time notifications about your security status and subscription. And remember, ESET Home Security has different protection tiers to fit your individual needs: Essential, Premium, and Ultimate. We've prepared many other tutorials on how to download and install your protection, activate specific security features, and manage your subscription. Check them out on our channel. Thank you for choosing ESET Home Security.
When technology enables progress, ESET is here to protect it. ESET Cybersecurity. Progress protected.